Volcanoes are geological phenomena that can alter a landscape in a time frame observable by humans. However, what they leave in their wake remains long after the fact. A volcanic eruption occurs when magma, which is molten rock, and the gases it contains, finds an opening in the Earth's crust through which it can pour out onto the Earth's surface. Volcanic eruptions vary greatly according to the chemistry of the magma and its gas content. For example, a liquid magma low in gas content produces a quiet eruption. It forms a lava flow that advances slowly over great distances. One lava flow that erupted from Arizona's Sunset Crater, for example, covered an area of several square kilometers. The lava is extremely hot when it emerges, but cools quickly and forms a crust on its surface. When gases in the liquid magma escape, they create small craters in that crust. As it cools, the lava becomes viscous. The flow is then thick and slow-moving, building up in spots. Once solidified, these thick lava flows resemble a series of jagged waves. By contrast, if the magma is high in dissolved gases, the eruption is explosive. Indeed, as the magma nears the surface, the loss of pressure permits the gases to expand. This expansion causes the magma to be blown into the air as separate fragments, which solidify as they fall to the surface. Some fragments, known as bombs, are more than 64 millimeters in diameter. Fragments between 2 and 64 millimeters in diameter are called lapilli. The bombs and lapilli fall round the crater where they pile up over the course of repeated eruptions. As they pile up, these fragments gradually form the cone of the volcano. During explosive eruptions, a large amount of magma is also disintegrated and falls back to the surface in a shower of ashes. A fine example is the symmetrical cone of Sunset Crater. "700 years after its extinction, Sunset Crater remains virtually intact. Vegetation still struggles to reclaim the debris and cinder-littered terrain.